Good afternoon, sir. Hope you're
Hello.
having a good day.
Yep, absolutely. Thank you.
Excited to have one. And so I would want to know your thoughts on this HR Conclave, whatever you have been through, like this entire whole time. So any thoughts, any improvements, anything that you were expecting and didn't happen, or anything that's above your expectations?
I guess it's a great platform. People have been sharing their stories, and this is slightly unique than a lot of other conclaves that we go to or we get invited to, right? Primarily because you get to hear individual stories of success, of struggles. These struggles have been part of our daily lives as we have grown up, right? And to hear some of the top leaders talk about them, I hope the students gather the gist of it and take some leaves out of it. But overall, I think you all have done a good job.
Thank you. Like, good to hear. This is the first time we have been organizing such an event. So like a little bit taking it in a lighter note, if you had to judge this entire event based on a song or a genre of a song, what would it be?
I'm not very good with songs, but I think this is very inspirational. But then I think if we go into the Veer Ras kind of a thing, it will be very boring, right? It will sound too serious. So I don't know, maybe that movie from Jawan, that song from Jawan. I don't know the lyrics, but there's one between the lady and Shah Rukh Khan, right?
I get it. Chalaya.
Chalya. I think that's an amazing song. And that's what has been happening there. People have been sharing their stories, and that's also a story about two people and the family and everything, right?
And so the last question, I'll be concluding with the last question. Given your stature in this industry, do you want to give us any suggestions, any for improvements, or because this is the first time we have been organizing such an event? So anything that would help us, me being a bachelor student and for the PG team as well. So anything you would want to share with us?
I think we should be doing more of this, right? Because what our faculties do or what our professors do is that, they have a certain expertise and they tell you the right theories to study, right? But what probably at this stage of our careers, people like us bring to the table is how those theories translate into our real life problems that we solve, right? I mean, each of the leaders that you have invited today or you have heard today, they have gone through these struggles, they have faced multiple challenges, and there's a journey that they have made from being in the audience to being on the podium now, right? And that journey itself is sort of a source of inspiration. It's a source of inspiration for me also, because I've known a lot of them, I follow a lot of them, their work, right? And every time I talk to them, there's something new for me also to learn, right? So, I mean, similar themes, slightly different themes, more innovative themes that we could do and get more people from outside so that they can give you an outside-in perspective. What you are getting right now is an inside-out perspective, right?
The story of resilience, as it says.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.